Okay guys, I'm back with a new tutorial on how to model an elbow made of cast iron in PTC Creo Parametric 3. So let's get started. So we open a file, new file, and give it a name elbow. Okay, elbow. Now we go to sketch, in front plane, in sketch, and make it normal to our vision. And so this is the section view of the elbow. This is the top view and this is the right side view. So what we gonna do is we sketch this center line of the sketch, and then we create a circle at that point and sweep that circle along this path. So let's draw this center line and give dimension of 150 and 145, and then give the fillet of 90 and okay. So what we're going to do is we select sweep and select this sketch and create a new section. There is a circle of diameter, let me check, the diameter is of 97, enter and OK. So here is the sweeped section, you hit OK. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select sweep and center line and sketch again a circle of diameter, let me check, of diameter 65, and hit OK and extrude or sweep cut it, and we see the sweep cut here. Before doing the sweep cut, what we can do is we can extrude these surfaces. So I'm gonna sketch on this surface a circle of 225 and hit OK and extrude this circle in this opposite direction of extruded length 25 that we see from the right side view, and hit 25. Similarly, what we can do is we sketch on this surface and draw another circle of same diameter as drawn before, hit 225, hit OK and extrude this circle in the opposite direction of 20, hit OK. Now what we're gonna do is we select sweep and the center line and sketch a circle of diameter 65 and hit OK and cut it. So we get the sweep cut. Now what we're gonna do is we sketch a circle and give it a circular pattern on this face. What we're gonna do is sketch on that face a circle, take the construction mode and circle that the pitch circle diameter is 185, so give this 185 by 2 because this is choosing here the radius, so we're giving it the radius 92.50. This means the radius is 92.50 and the diameter is 185. And we close the construction mode and draw a circle of diameter 15 and hit OK. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna extrude cut this circle in the opposite direction, and then for circular pattern we make an datum axis at the center and select this feature and mirror, and then choose from here the center axis. Sorry, what we're gonna do is pattern. So hit this feature, pattern, axis, and choose axis and enter value 60 because there are 6 circles and hit OK. Similarly, make an axis here hit OK and sketch on this particular face and sketch a circle in construction mode and give 185 by 2. Close the construction mode and a circle of 15. Hit OK. What we're gonna do is hide all the plane and axis, and sketch will be extruded in the opposite direction, that is the extrude cut. Now what we're gonna do is pattern this feature, the axis, choose from here, angle would be 60 and instances would be 6. Hit enter. Now what we're gonna do is to attach the ribs. You can see the ribs of thickness 10 mm from here. So let's make the ribs. Now sketch on front plane and sketch. Take references from here and here and draw a line randomly and trim the extra portion. So this height would be 40 and I guess this height would be 40 and this horizontal distance is 30. So hit normal from this point to this point, the distance is 30 and hit OK, and then you go to rib, that is the profile rib, and select this sketch and the rib would be added to your model. Now we see the section using the front plane. So this is the section. Oh, the big problem is here is the extrude cut. The extrude cut, here is the big problem, that is this extrude cut and hit OK. Now that's good. Now what we're gonna do is add 2 ribs that are seen from that view. So what we're gonna do is sketch in the right plane and sketch, and we're gonna take references, this reference, take 2 random lines, sorry, 1 random line delete the extra portion that we don't need it, and the height is 40, and the horizontal distance would be, sorry, the horizontal distance be 30, and hit OK, and now attach the profile rib, and similarly select this feature mirror about the front plane and hit OK. Now what we're gonna do is we need to attach this rib, so we sketch on the front plane, sketch, and we take the references from here and draw a random line and trim the extra portion of it. So this is basically 25, and hit a normal, and this height is also same 25, and hit OK, hit rib, and it would add the rib to your model. And what we see here is the two ribs on that side too. So what we're gonna do is we select a datum plane from this face to 145 in that direction. So 145, hit OK. Now sketch on that plane. First take references here and then draw a random line and delete the extra portion. So this is 25, and from normal this to this edge is 25 too, and hit OK. What we're gonna do is hit rib, but you see that this sketch wouldn't pick the rib option. So what we're gonna do is go to sketch and add lines here. So what we can do is we can extrude this in the middle plane, and the extruded length is 10, and hit OK. So we get the rib here too, and what we're gonna do is select this and mirror this about the front plane and hit OK. So that is the rib that is attached to the model. So front view is this, and we see the cross section view. So this is the section view of the model that is seen in this picture. Now what we're going to do is delete the section view and see the top view. So basically this is the top view, this is the top view of this model, and finally we're gonna see the right side view, that is the right side view and the two ribs here. So thanks for watching this tutorial. Thank you.